让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林，我很开心哦。
哎呀，
因为最近好多朋友出国啊，回来啊，都带伴手礼
啊，那么好，
一大堆用的、吃的都好享受。
记得下次再来分享。
You know why I'm in a happy mood? Because we just had Chinese New Year, and so a lot of friends came back with a lot of souvenirs. I'm very happy. And let's put you in that scenario. 每次怎么说？
大拜，
That's every time. Alright， 其实都还是会礼貌说啊，不用了，不用带伴手礼。心里想说很好，谢谢。
对，
你有重视我这个朋友，很好。Alright, when you get souvenirs, of course, you politely would say, "Oh, please, you don't have to bring a souvenir back every time." Let's put you in this scenario. 你不用每次来带伴手礼啦。
是大拜來。
是大拜來。
都帶電爐啦。
都帶電爐啦 ，OK？ 電爐 we taught you a lot of times. That's a souvenir， 就是伴手禮 ，right？ 不用每次來帶伴手禮啦，哈。哎呀，那朋友當然會說，有好吃的就跟你分享啦。I found something that's delicious. Of course, I want to share it with you. 怎麼說？
有好食嘅。
有好食嘅。
秋老分享啊。
秋老分享啊。OK， 分享就是來分享。分享 that means to share. Sharing is caring. OK, we have that phrase in English. 好啦，真是不好意思耶。哎呀 ，I feel bad. OK， 不好意思。
食材懂排泄呢。
食材懂排泄呢 ，OK， 排泄就是不好意思。
是的。
应该很多人都听得懂。That means 不好意思 ，which means it's okay, don't worry. Again, it's a form of politeness in Chinese. It's hard to say it in English, but basically it's thank you, you're welcome, that kind of thing. All right? 好，很好。我赶紧这个教完要回去再吃那些伴手礼，因为吃不完啊！我应该再来跟你分享。
对呀，可是你不要过期才给我。
你怎么知道我这样想 ？Alright, let's review some of these phrases first, okay? How about the souvenir 伴手礼？
電爐
to share 分享。
分享
and it's cool, don't worry 不好意思。
懂排泄
Alright, and this month it's all about the phrase 每次
大拜
啊，你不是也出国吗？为什么好像没有你的伴手礼？
学你的。
对，欠一个咯 All right， 那我也要带朋友给我的伴手礼来。
那我们下次交换好了。
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
That's today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.